It can be difficult to choose the best alarm clock for you, particularly with so many features, price ranges, and brands available. You can relax knowing you have your perfect fit because we took care of the testing for you. The top 5 alarm devices available right now are listed below, in addition to some others, which we still suggest. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in alarm clock. Today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best alarm clock review. We've scoured the internet, tested everything out for ourselves, and narrowed down the best of the best to bring you our top 5 alarm clock. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your alarm clock or just want to stay in the know, this video is for you. If you want to check the products, please check the description. Number 1. Lofty Bluetooth Smart Alarm Clock. Lofty can trick you into thinking you wake up on your own every morning and don't force yourself to get out of bed when you get out of bed. Of all the alarm clocks we tested, the one we chose from 5 ambient configurations best evoked the feeling of waking up with natural cues like morning birdsong, ambient tones, and morning temple bells. Number 2. Hatch Restore Sound Machine Smart Light Alarm Clock. It can be challenging to find a kid's alarm clock that satisfies all of your child's requirements. The Hatch Restore alarm clock combines a music generator with a smart light. Other choices can't match the features of this alarm clock for kids. You also get a digital alarm time display, soft control buttons, and white noises. Number 3. Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light HF3520 Alarm Clock. The Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light HF3520, a top option in our review of dawn alarm clocks, is still our top pick for anyone who detests being startled awakened suddenly. The glowing LED sphere creates a convincing imitation of dawn or dusk over the course of 30 minutes. The only clock we examined that can aid in lulling you to sleep at night. It offers a kinder, gentler wake-up than any other alarm we advise. Number 4. American Lifetime Newest Digital Day Clock. The American Lifetime Day Clock's large print design will appeal to people with vision impairments. It is possible to schedule your alarms to include screen-displayed reminders, such as time to take your prescriptions. Still, it isn't the most effective alarm clock we've tested. No snooze button exists. Even at the darkest setting, the display is bright. Setting alarms requires navigating a menu, which can be complicated. Number 5. Echo Show 5 Display Smart Alarm Clock. The digital alarm clock market has undergone major upheaval. Your alarm clock does more than just wake you up anymore. Many interactive hubs that double as smart alarm clocks let you access your alarms, the weather, and music. One of the greatest smart alarm clocks is the Amazon Echo Show 5, which boasts a variety of features and voice assistant connectivity. And there you have it, our top 5 best alarm clock. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision and find the perfect alarm clock to fit your needs. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.